What is up, YouTube? My name is Talon and I am here for a unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing a Theory Saber lightsaber. This is something I ordered a couple weeks ago. Finally got it today, actually, the last day of May, or as I like to call it, Star Wars month. So let's get into this unboxing. This will be my second ever saber that I've ever owned. Theory was fortunate enough to run a sale for 20% off. So I, got to have this on a discount. So let's open this up. So first off, as you can see, we got this nice box. This is probably the best box that I've seen on the market, especially design wise. You got the Arabic lettering right here. I forget exactly what it says. I know some reviewers have told exactly what that said. But all around, like, this box is so well designed. So let's get into it and let's see what's inside. Ooh, first, smells good, not gonna lie. So first off, just opening it up, we'll start from the left. We have a booklet, just talking about what the saber can do, all the details, all the functions and everything. I'm pretty handy with these lightsabers, I would say, even though this is my second saber that I've owned. So I'll read through it, but I don't, really need it. Of course, we got 2 stickers. I'll be putting these somewhere. And then right here, we have a display stand. Okay, so this is the display stand right here. There's a plaque that you can put in right here. I'm pretty sure it comes in the toolkit, but we'll get into that next. And like all these little boxes that he made is actually, pretty cool because it keeps everything together. It keeps it all organized. This will be something that I'll probably never, like the display stand, I'll probably never take it apart again. But, it's good to have, on hand just so I can be able to transport things and, do all that. So just opening it up, we have a charging cable with the retention screws and the Allen key. What else we got in here? We got a blade plug right here. And these are things that not every saber company gives you. So like a lot of times these are sold separately that you have to buy for like $15 to $20. It's really cool that he included this. I also have one from a company on Etsy. It looks like this. Whenever you put it into the saber, I put it into my Revan hilt over there from time to time whenever I just display it without the actual blade inside. But that's pretty cool that he included your own blade plug. And then this is something that I ordered separately. You can get this, I believe it was $20. So this I'll be able to screw onto the saber, and then I can wear the saber on my belt for cosplay or, just to wear it. And then this was the plaque that I was talking about. This is the Theory Sabers plaque. And this looks good. Just, you got Theory Sabers right there, and it's so smooth, like, you can just rub your finger. It's not like indented, it's not raised up. They really made it to fit so perfectly inside. So that is the tool kit. Next up, is there, nope, nothing right there. And then I did get the SNV4 saber. I also got a 32-inch blade. I'm not the tallest guy. I'm also not the shortest guy, but 32 inches for me, that's, you know, the best. I'm 5'10", by the way, if you guys need to know. And then let's get to the actual saber, which is right here. So you get this really nice, very soft bag. I might use this bag for something else. I'm not really sure yet, but you know, this bag is good for transporting the saber. And then we got the saber right here. So I'm gonna hold it down here so I can get it out the wrapping paper. I know what it looks like. Not a lot of other people knows what this saber looks like just yet. We'll need that. And here we are. So with this saber, it has a exposed crystal right there. It has this sign right here. I'm really not sure what that sign is. And then, you know, so this reminds me of like a saber from, I don't know, I would say probably like the prequel era. I think that would be a good point to say that this is from. It's nice and heavy, sturdy. You know, it's probably just the same weight as my other saber. It looks like it's a 1-button. It's very pretty, I feel like. I will charge this up first, and then show you guys in the next clip how this exposed crystal shows up, all the details about it. But just right off the bat, the saber looks really good. It's not like super long, you know, it's good. I'll be able to use this to do some spinning. You know, it's not super bulky or anything, but I love this saber. The hilt is very pretty, so thank you, Theory, if you see this video. You guys did a really good job on this saber. I love it. All right, guys, finally here. It's dark outside. I probably waited a little too late, but I had a DoorDash coming, had some food coming, so I had to eat first. But let's get this ignition off. This is green. And as you can see, this is, of course, the saber. You can see the crystal right in there. It does change with whatever color you have out. ground is not even. Let's try that again. A little rusty. It's been a minute since I've been able to be out here using my saber.
Skull.
So just some afterthoughts about this saber. I of course think this is probably my best looking saber that I own. I do like it more than the other one that I have in the back there. There's so much that you can do with this saber. There is 22 different sound fonts. And then that's another thing that's something different is you can change like how the blade ignites, and there's another little change too that you can do. I'm still trying to figure out everything. Like I know you can, to do the flash on clash, you have to hold the button down. My other saber, it works a little bit differently when it comes to that. And then another thing I'm still trying to figure out is, so like the gesture control. Like it seems to only work whenever it wants to work. So I don't know if there's something that I'm doing wrong or what, but every time, you know, I twist my wrist, it's not igniting or it's not coming down. Now I noticed if I'm like, I don't know, like when I've done it before, you know, it definitely ignited and it went down, or I could only get it to turn off when I twist the wrist. So that's something that I still have to figure out. I don't know if there's some settings that I have to change around with the saber, but I'm gonna definitely still be doing some playing around with it. But like I said, the saber is really fun to use. I really like this hilt. Of course, you got the exposed crystal. So let's turn it on again. So it changes with whatever lightsaber you have. Now, the font that I have on right now, it goes like green, white, green, white. So the crystal is actually changing to the color style. So I think that's a cool detail. But like I said, I still need to do some playing around to really figure out this saber. It took me a while to really learn that saber, so that's all it is just a learning process, a learning curve to take. But would I recommend this company? Yes. Rank it out of 10, probably about a 9.5 out of 10. Still lots to learn from. Now the saber is very technical. Maybe I just have a learning curve to get over, but that's really it on the minus 0.5 of why, because you know my other saber I could just turn it on and it would just, you know, ignite, and then, you know, do that and it would come down. So I still gotta, you know, figure out like why that's not working completely or all the time, really, because I've only been able to do it like maybe once or twice, and that's something that I like to use while I have the saber in my hand, because you can, of course, you can turn it on and then you have to hold this down for 4 seconds before it shuts off, and I would rather just twist my wrist and it just, you know, shut off. But, you know, like I said, there's still some figuring out that I have to do with this saber, but other than that, I can't wait to learn from it and what to do. But the weight distribution of this saber is very even. I really like it. It's very easy to spin. This is also the soldier hilt, if you guys were wondering. I think it was retailed at like somewhere above like $350 or so for SNV4. Of course, with Theory's discount code, I was able to get it down some. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching the video for this lightsaber review. Stay tuned for more videos coming. Thank you, guys.